Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing fun at home. Students, as we have already done, letter A. So today we will learn our next letter. So our next letter is this. Students, do you know which letter is this? This is letter B. This is capital B. This is small b. Capital B and is small b. Capital B is only for your revision, not for writing. So, do you know what is the sound of letter B? Its phonic sound is B. B. Speak after me. B. Perfect. Capital B, small b, and its sound is B. Now, I will tell you the words related to the letter B. Look here, children. B for ball. B, ball. B for bat. B, bat. B for bear. B, bear. B for bird. B, bird. B for button. B, button. Children, which fruit is this? This is banana. This is banana. B, banana. Is it clear, children? Do you want to listen the story of letter B? Okay, so listen carefully. One day, there was a bee. The name of bee was Bobo. Bobo, the bee, lived in a beehive. Bobo always helped bees to make honey. Bobo's friends were a bird and a bear. The bear liked to eat honey. Bobo, bear, and a bird were good friends. They always helped each other. So, my dear children, in this story, the words Bobo, bear, bird, beehive starts with letter B. Now it's your turn to speak and revise this story. Now it's time to trace letter B. So just pick up blue color. Wow! Blue color, the name of blue color also starts with letter B. So just pick up blue color, and here is my blue color. So start with me. And make a curve. Keep your color aside and pick up your pencil to write letter B. Put your pencil on the capital line. Move up to the down, make a standing line and stop on the tail line. Again go to the middle of the standing line and make a right curve and join with the end of the standing line. It makes B. Again we try. Keep your pencil on the capital line. Move up to the down. Make a standing line and stop on the tail line. Again go to the middle of the standing line and make a right curve. Join with the end point of the standing line at the tail line. This is our letter B. Okay, children? Now you will try. Now get ready to enjoy this activity of letter B. Now our boat is ready to sail. Friends, I hope you enjoy this activity. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.